Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and line. Make sure the modem or multifunction printer is on the phone line and powered. Once done, open Start, type Windows Fax and Scan, and launch it immediately. This app handles the send queue and cover pages. You select New Fax to create a transmission, type the recipient number, choose the modem device, and set a cover page if you want. Make sure the document you'll attach is accessible in Documents or on the desktop. You now compose the fax. Enter the recipient number or pick a contact. Remember to add the international prefix when needed. Then attach the document. Click Attach File and choose a PDF, image, or Word file. If pages are out of order, reorder them before sending. Set priority and retry attempts in Options so Windows will retry on busy lines. Once you add a subject and short cover message, preview the fax to ensure page layout and orientation are. You click Send and watch the outbox. Windows Fax and Scan shows progress, and a successful transmission moves the job to sent items. If the line is busy, the app will retry according to your settings, or you can schedule the send for a quieter time. Make sure to verify the confirmation report. It contains transmission time and pages sent. If something goes wrong, check the phone line, confirm modem drivers are up to date, and enable logging to capture errors for further troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.